Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana Tungo. If you're new here, most welcome. If not, welcome back. So first things first, we're going to start by cutting our hair. So just cut the hair or rather the wool to your desired length, and this is what you have. So the next step is just to comb the hair just for it to look natural and all that. So when you comb the wool, I don't know why I keep on saying hair. So when you comb the wool, make sure that you hold it a little bit firm, okay, because you don't want to be wasting too much wool when combing. So I just comb to make sure that I give it that natural look to it. And guys, I'm really hoping that you're going to give this hairstyle a try because it is so simple. Like, you can just do it at the comfort of your home. So let me know in the comment section down below if by any chance you're going to give it a try, because it is so easy and anyone can literally do it. Okay, so after combing the hair, this is what you have as the finished look. Okay, and the last step of prepping the wool is by attaching the crunchy onto the wool, just like you can see in the video. Okay, so I realized that I cut the hair or the wool a little bit short, so that is why I'm attaching the crunchy right at the tip of the wool. So that is the mistake that I did, and please, when you cut your hair, please be very careful. For the gel that we're going to be using for today's tutorial is soft and free, and together with BAMSI. BAMSI is actually a wax, it's not a gel, which will really come in handy when laying down the hair. So I really love working with wax, because it also has a very thick consistency as opposed to the gel. So, and again, I didn't blow dry my hair, so I literally just washed my hair and applied some leave-in treatment. So guys, I'll be starting by applying some generous amount of this gel, and I'm going to be working in sections just to give me an easier time. And by the way guys, we are on the road to 1000 subscribers. So if by any chance you're watching this video, if you've watched this video till here and you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and you can also leave your comments in the comment section down below. So guys, right about now I'm just applying some some wax, and like I said earlier, we're just using just a little bit of it. Okay, so after that I'll just go ahead and take my bristle brush and just brush my hair, okay, just like you can see in the video, and then I'll secure my hair and start working at the back section of my hair. So we're just going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so I'll start by applying some some soft and free gel, okay, and then after that I'll just take my comb just to comb the my hair through where I want to secure it, of course, and then after that I'll just take my wax, and I'm going to apply it just to just to help me get rid of the flyaways and stuff like that. Okay, so after I'm done, I'll just go ahead again and take my bristle brush and just to comb or rather brush my hair to where I want to secure it.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about.
Okay, so now that I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my scarves. So I'm going to be using two scarves. Okay, so one I'm going to use it to wrap the front part of my hair, and then the next one I'm going to use it to, you know, to tie the back parts of my hair, just to, you know, make sure that my hair is, you know, dry enough as I do my makeup, of course. And again, guys, if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions regarding this BRISTLE, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any concerns, again, let me know in the comment section down below. So this was one of the most easiest hairstyle that you can literally do at the comfort of your home. Okay, so guys, after that, I'll just go ahead and take my hair, and I'm going to, you know, attach it onto my bun, my natural hair bun, just like so. And then I'll just go ahead and you know, flip it over, then take just a small piece, you know, a small piece of this wool, and I'm going to use it to wrap it onto my hair, just to secure it and stuff like that, guys. And just like that, you've come to the end of today's video. See you guys in my next one. Bye for now and take care.
Playing all my cards now.